Hi, welcome to Coding World. So, in this lecture, we will try to solve some problems on Python. So, today we will try to find the average of cubes of n natural numbers. So, we will first get to the concept. So, we will define what is an average. What is average? Average would be sum divisible by the total number, and cubes. Cube would be if a number is n, then its cube would be n into n into n. So, this is the basic concept. And we will try to solve this sum now. So let me define a function. We define it as cube of n, and summation equal to 0, and for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. So summation equal to, it would be plus equal to, right, I into I into I. And we will define average. Average equal to summation by n. Summation by n, and we will return average. So we will try to print cube of, let us try to print with 2. Run this. Okay, we are getting for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. For I in range, okay, this is so we are getting 4.5. Okay, we will try to decode that. So first I would be starting with 1, and so summation would be 1 into 1 into 1 to 1, and next it would be, I would be 2, so it would be 2 into 2 into 2, so that we would get 1 plus 8, that would be 9, and average is now equal to 9 by 2, that equal to 4.5. So this is how we code. So let us try with 3. So we are getting 12. Let us check that even. So 3 into 3 into 3, right? That would be 1 plus 8 plus 27. So how much it would be? It would be 36. So average would be 36 by 3. It would be 12. So we are getting 12, right? So we will try to do it in another method. Define cube 1 of n. Okay, I will give you the hint of this problem. So sum of cubes of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we will try to do this with this formula. We will define summation 1 equal to n, okay, n into n plus n plus 1 by 2 whole square, and average would be summation 1 by n average one. So I'll print cube 1 of 3. Save this. See, we are getting 12 and 12. So in the both the ways we can do the same sum, but this is more optimal way. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.